how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
Good morning, everyone. How are you? Muhammadu Buhari should release Nnamdi Kanu to broadcast and to end all these atrocities in Southeast Nigeria. Do I support people being killed in the Southeast? No. If you have been following me on this platform for quite a long time, you are going to know that I always say this. I do not support killing one another. It is wrong to kill a citizen. If we kill them, who are we going to govern? I said it. Do I want freedom? Yes, I want freedom. Do I support Nnamdi Kanu ideology? Yes, I support. There's no doubt about that. You cannot change me. I support the ideology of Nnamdi Kanu for people to get freedom. Do I support Igbo killing Igbo? No. I do not support whosoever to kill or go into a community and begin to kill people. I do not support that. I said it all the time. But ESN and the soldiers fighting and killing each other, it's not my business. That's not my business. The ESN is trained by Nnamdi Kanu to go into the forest and fight the Fulani people who are invading Southeast. But if the soldiers are looking for them and they are killing each other, that is totally out of business. For me, I have no power with the ESN or whosoever. But me, do I support the freedom? Yes, I support freedom. And nobody can stop me from it. If you have been following me for so long, I said it and I say it all the time. You know the problem, everybody that is watching. We all know the problem that Nigeria is wayward. He who wear the shoe understands. Nigeria, we have journalists in Nigeria. Plenty journalists in Nigeria. Why don't they do investigative journalism, deep investigative journalism, and get to the truth of this matter? Send an Igbo man, they carry gun, go kill Igbo man. Which one? A Buhair? All these things, let me tell you, all these things are political motivation. Forget about the propaganda that you're seeing on social media. You can call everybody that is agitating whatever you want. It's okay. It's because now level where you understand be that. I may be on this social media and talk. I know Sabi pass where I did so. I said it all the time. It did not pass my level where I did so. This is the social media where I get. I don't have a connection with anybody than to support the ideologies and agitators. And nobody can stop me from that. This is my right. The killing in Southeast should be investigated by the journalists in deep investigative journalism. They keep saying, oh, we don't know this one, we don't know this one. You people don't go down to Southeast, do investigative journalism, deep investigative journalism. I have never seen anywhere in the world where somebody is in the custody of the state. They never give him a chance of talking or address the media for once. Nnamdi Kanu was not given a chance. He was not given chance to address media. Give him a chance to talk. They never want to. You know, listen, let me tell you something. Somebody like me, I will never kick an ordinary citizen ass. Whatever Buhair is doing with ESN, they are trained, right? I don't think any Igbo man wear his head correct go they kill ordinary citizens where you go see. We have been saying this all the time here that Buhair is killing. Even on social media in Nigeria, they say Buhair have never for once show us how many Fulani they arrested. Never for once show it. This is our political motivation. You people should stop pointing finger. Go into deep investigative journalism. The politicians are using it at killing each other. They have sabotaged the Nnamdi Kanu ideology. How do you end this? Call Nnamdi Kanu, release him. You know, give him a chance to broadcast. Give Nnamdi Kanu a chance to broadcast. Let's end this thing. You are not ready to give people referendum. You are not ready to... Everything is wrong with us. People are just pointing fingers. You Igbos, you are the problem of yourself. Yeah, I agree with you. Igbos are their problem. I said it all the time. Money, 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 money. We wait there abroad, we know the rest. As I get my money, problem full everywhere. You call, Christmas, so this, that. Even me, I'm not enjoying my money. Other people who love money so much, they are building 3-story building, 2-story building. They are building estates. I don't have estate. I don't have money to fall back on. If I find myself today in Africa, I don't have money to fall back on because I'm solving other people's problem. The problem that the government is supposed to be solved. How do you think I'm not going to get angry with the government? Am I going to be looking at the people dying of hunger? No. Bucket off. Bucket off. So please, this issue, now the government, they escalate this thing. Stop pointing fingers. It is the government. You as a journalist, what are you doing? Have you been to Southeast? Go. Who are the Buhair? Don't, you see, Nigeria is the country where you cannot get the truth. I have always said this before. If you find fault with Simon Ekpa, if you have the fault, if you have, show me the fault today, I will come here and condemn Simon Ekpa. I said it all the time. Me, I know the follow person say I go follow, I will trust you and I will follow you and I will trust you. But the moment I find fault in you, I will walk away and I will come to this platform and say it. I know the fear. I don't even want to come online today because I have a lot of things. 3 days ago, last week, I talked about computer, right? I told you guys about computer. I'm trying to see how I'm going to go back to school. And it's going to cost me 4 years of going back to school. So that in this field, I'll be professional. I've been trying to find out. I'm not supposed to sit here. I'm supposed to be studying right now. You are governor. You don't use force to fight force. It's never happened. You don't use fire to fight fire. You use water to fight. You use water to fight fire. These guys are angry. You people una the belefu. All these guys where they carry do ESN. If they get job at the first place, they will never be ESN. If there's job, none of them will leave their job to go and become ESN. You people cannot create a job. What are you supposed to do? It's not bringing Buhair to come and fight them. Now, Nnamdi Kanu is there. How many of you visited him? Buhair should be in the forest, not looking for young men who look like, I don't know how everybody is an Ipob. Those people that are called Buhair, are they real Igbo people? We are using we are being sabotaged. Political motivations, selfish interest. Those who went to burn INEC, they are going to, it's political. I want those who are journalists to do investigation. Something is wrong with us. don't know. Politicians destroy the one way happen for Yoruba land. They destroy INEC in Yoruba land. Is it ESN? Something is wrong with us. Something is wrong with us. I said it many times long ago. I don't like to see blood. I hate it. Whatever happened between, well, anytime I'm preaching here, I talk about the Nigerian soldiers. I talk about the police. Where the government, they say they go kill. If they enter village, they go begin to shoot. It is not, it is wrong. They are killing the innocent people, burning down the house, the only property that they have. And their children is going behind and carry gun. And they will come after you. Those that are not even part of ESN, they are not part of anything. You come to their village, you destroy. Somebody was speaking to me yesterday. He's a soldier. He was a retired soldier. Oh my God, I don't know. Wait, I want to play this for you, please. I want to find that brother. He's a retired soldier. He dey talk to me here. Make una know say una head no correct. This Nigerian government. What was his name? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Let me try to find him. This guy was a retired soldier. Wait, I want to go. Now me the beg and say, my brother, no carry gun. Don't do it. Please, I want to... Wait. This person not be Igbo. He's not an Igbo guy. I want to play his voice message. So I have to reboot my phone. You know, the phone where they use. If I don't reboot it, I'm not going to hear it. It's an old phone. You look at it. It's fucking old. She said, don't break. So I'm restarting the phone so that you can hear the voice. Now he's not a retired soldier. Now one of those where he don't be soldier before he come out. Or something. He was talking. I mean, after when he talked to me, when we talk finish, he get the one where I tell her, say, my brother, don't try it. No leg condition carry you. Go carry gun. That's because you don't have a job. You don't have a job. Do I support ESN? Yes, I support ESN. Nnamdi Kanu create ESN to tackle the Fulani. We are not even talking about all over social media since 3 days. They are not talking about the killing of the innocent women. Nobody's talking about it. They are talking about... I agree with you. It is wrong. It is wrong. I said it. I do not support killing of our people. If we get this Biafra, who are we going to go into the Biafra with? When they begin to kill just any people. And me, I do not see videos that they kill. Me, I don't see videos where they kill. Me, I do not see the videos. I only see people who attack INEC. They attack police station. Yes, that is what I see. The one where I see the dead body, now the one where they talk say, na army or be na police, they attack each other. Those kill police. And which I don't have power of fun. But to me, I will always condemn anybody where go they kill citizen. You don't kill your citizen, you don't kill your people. But I still stand and tell you that it is political. All the journalists in Nigeria, make una put ourselves head together. Do what they call investigative journalism. This Ebubagu, when they see, so follow them. Who are the Ebubagos? Who are those that are Ebubago? Are they Igbo extraction? 1. 2. Who are those attacking our people in the village? They are wearing army uniform. Are they the army or they are Fulani? All these things should come to the plan. Make we shame ourselves. Let us shame ourselves. Let me play. Let me play that video, I beg. Not be video, now voice message. My brother, where got this voice message? You go, forgive me. Nobody go kukuma no say na you.
My brother, people are not ready. People are not ready at all. They don't even know what they call struggle. You know, I told you, I even had to tell my wife, since I leave army, 2020 where I come Israel, where I tell you, say, me and you never know that. I wish I know you are from, not come back. The thing they pay me now, but I will renew my passport just like what I tell you that day. This January, by God grace, I will now be pressed to come over. They say it will cost me whether 1.4, 1.5 shop, my visa.
I know there's a lot of noise. Over there is an express road. Please, if you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear the voice note, please let me know. So I'm going to play it. I think it's about 2 minutes. Then I will let you guys listen.
With accommodation, they say for no reach now because of with my accommodation, whatever, another squad today. Some of us go be like, so either if it means retire, we will form our squad.
Okay, yeah.
My visa. With accommodation, they say for no reach now because of with my accommodation, whatever. But I don't let the man know, see me if I reach there, they vermouth, I know they come back. So, but no wala, no mind, I will also the money, pay the 1.4 or 5, make a come over.
Don't worry, make una go here.
My brother, at the time I was say if I not leave Nigeria, I will carry go. And my own go bad. I go donate blood. If to say I'm from Biafra land, since where I come out, at the time my wife, if I don't go join Biafra since, and if I go join that airport, I go form another squad there. All of us go be like soldier either if it means retire, we go form our squad. Now killing squad, now go group that squad. Me, I'm very bitter. So I don't want to, that is why I want just come up for here. Because always they see they irritate me. Nigeria is not a country. They very, very irritating. And the stupid, hopeless youth, they are not even ready, they don't even know anything. They just be like motor, we not get break, we not get front, we not get back. But those condemn motor, that's what Nigerian youth look like. Not bearing, nothing. Not bearing, nothing, no vision, nothing. They just did like the lady one, very hopeless people. So now so it be, this will not be country. Thank you, Jada. I'm very annoyed. This morning as I wake up now, I see different now you gonna see. See the other day I see trailer with full of money we don't rot. Where those outside boy park for road. Do video on it. Load full trailer with money. The other day then we see another one when they did this one and they say it happened whether not yesterday. It's like now yesterday they cover this one. Either yesterday or day for it. Because I wake up this morning now I begin see it for group chat this morning. I want lead the Senate. Thank you.
Now here I'm me.
Thank you, bro.
I can't send my own voice message.
Anyway, my brother, I don't hear you. The thing with it, if you want to come to Israel, whether I am here or not, go save money, build yourself. I just get land for my village. When you go come, because
I
steal my paper when I was 2. I want to take your pen and write what I want to tell you now. Still put that for your file. Go find house. Your first salary $500 every month. You understand? So take note of that. Right?
I just want to find out.
My brother, beg, don't carry gun. I beg, don't carry gun. Please don't do that. Please don't do it. It's wrong. Nnamdi Kanu that created ESN. This is not what he created, but people take advantage, and now they are sabotaging everything. Even the government are also taking advantage and sabotaging. So this is where I don't like to shed blood. But the soldiers too, they make things they worst. I beg. So take care of yourself, my brother. So take your pen and write what I
That was what I told him. I said, don't do it. He said, if he no travel, he go carry gun. Not be Biafra. And he talks, if he see chance, go follow them. He go there brutal. That's exactly what is happening. He said he go sabotage. When they hear him, say he go form his own gang. I beg, my brother, if you hear my voice, no indicate yourself. I beg, just leave it like that. If you're hearing me, I know you may be watching me right now. You know your voice. I beg. So I just use this to tell the people that Nigeria is falling. All those things where they please, I put it to you guys, Nigerian journalists. Please, we don't need to continue like this. You don't need to attack me. If you attack me, you're attacking the wrong guy. Will I come here to talk against Nigerian government? Yes, I will always come to talk against Nigerian government. Anytime. It is my right to criticize the government because they are not doing well. Is it my right to support freedom? Yes, I will. Will I support killing? No, I do not support killing. Do I support any Biafran killing Biafra? No. If you're killing Biafra, who are we going to be inside the Biafra? That's my own. As soon as I see myself so for this screen, pass here. Whatever you think and you believe what I do, I don't care about you. Do I believe in freedom? Yes, I will always believe in freedom. And I will use my voice to support freedom. But I will not use my voice to support killing. If you don't understand me, forget about it. I didn't want to come to social. I want to study. I don't get time. The social media said before that they blocked me. I want to study. I want to upgrade myself. If you don't see me, don't worry about me. I'm cool. You feel me? I want to upgrade myself. The country, they don't want freedom. So that any place where I go there in the world, I go be better person in that society. If you not like make una get freedom, if you not like make una no get them. For the past years that I live in Nigeria, electricity is not my problem. Food is not my problem. Food is not my problem. Now me they run away from food. I know the Greek chop in the morning. The food is dead. Food, I don't get money, but food is not a problem. Madman for abroad. If they collect money from government, madman. Do you know? Somebody that are crazy. Do you know? Drug addicts. The government pay them not monthly, weekly. The government pay them weekly. Government pay them weekly. And the street of Tel Aviv, there is a restaurant where you go there to eat at from 10 o'clock till 1 or 2 o'clock. If you don't have food, go there with your plate. Eat and go. You know what? So you they go collect food and come out now. They will eat there and leave. You go drink Coca-Cola. That is the kind of country I want. When I came to this country, the very first week, I was standing, somebody told me, let's go and eat there. I said, go and eat where? He said, it's free food. I said, okay, let's go. Let me go and see. When I got there, I sit down. Somebody walked up to me. I said, what do you want to eat? We have this and we have that. We have this and we have that. Oh, wow. I said, I want this. They said, do you want Coca-Cola or you want this? What kind of drink do you want? When I finished eating, they said, thank you. They said, thank you to me. They said, do you have wife? Do you have children? Why don't you bring them here to come and eat? Next time, if you're coming, bring plates to take food for them. You don't come here to eat alone. I say, okay. When I was going out, there was clothes outside. They want to give me one. I say, I don't want clothes. They want to give me banana. There's other things outside they want to give you. But if you want to donate, you can't donate more than 1 shekel. Let me show you what they donate there. So if you want to donate, don't donate more than 1 shekel. See 1 shekel. They say, you see somebody standing outside. You ask him, what is he doing? He say, this is for donation. If you don't have money, go. If you want to donate, don't donate more than 1 shekel. 1 shekel. This is 1 shekel. They tell you donate only 1 shekel. Wow. Throughout the COVID-19, they were there sharing food to people. Take away. But if you don't want freedom, I beg. I don't see people who love money to get freedom so easily. I said it many times. If I were Nnamdi Kanu, I would put an end to it. Sit down for breath. Sit down for Britain with your children, and forget about them. The people when they sabotage. The mama don't die, papa don't die on top of this thing. People where they call themselves activists in Nigeria, they are not real activists. If I were Simon, I said it before. If I were somebody like me, I don't give up for my own fight, but fighting for other people, I can give up easily. On the Madonna Nigeria, and this is the reason why I support this movement. Like, Kangbe Madu, Unobodo Yibo, Sina they may travel. Now school fees. Oh, the other one called me yesterday. I know if you picking call. Now the picking way also they learn work and they give her money. Small sickening money where they take supporter. He called me yesterday. I know if you pick. I'm ashamed of myself. Say I go call the picking call. Tell her say, oh, I know. He go say, uncle, if you drop that phone, he go they abuse me. Say it's a lie. So I better don't carry her phone until when I get money to give her. The money don't finish. So anyway, it is what it is, guys.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.